When paint peels on a plastered wall, the thing to know is that something is causing the surface to peel, and you will need to determine the cause. There are a few common causes for peeling, such as bad preparation when the wall was previously painted, or moisture, which can cause fungal growth under the top coat. Whatever the cause, it's important to fix the problem and get down to a sound surface before repainting. Begin the repair by scraping away the peeling paint and have a look at the surface. In cases where the plaster is sound but may not have been primed or undercoated correctly, give the area a good scrape to remove the flaking paint. Feather the edges of the remaining paint with sandpaper if possible, so that the repair won't be noticeable, and brush away all the remaining dust from the wall. You'll now have a sound surface to work on. If there's any plaster damage, repair that before applying the finishing coats. Now you have a sound surface to work on and the painting can be done. Begin the finishing process with a coat of plaster primer. Spot prime the areas of wall that you've been working on. It's not necessary to prime the entire wall. When the primer is dry, apply the desired top coat as an undercoat for the repaired area. Once the undercoat is dry, the wall can be finished with 2 top coats of acrylic emulsion. Check out our movie on painting a house exterior for a look at painting outside walls. Your paint dealer will be able to match up the existing color of your walls if you take a sample into the paint store. Don't try to work with those little color swatches. You'll pull your hair out doing that. Scrape off a flake of paint about 3 centimeters in size and take it in for a sampling. That should do the trick.